Hi, you're with Sal in the Trenches MOTOLAB. Today I'm going to replace my stock chain guide on my 2019 Husqvarna FC350. I'm going to put this Zeta racing chain guide on it. The advantages are clear. I mean, everything about it's a better build, and you can replace this bottom polycarbonate piece or plastic piece by taking these screws out. Taking these screws out, and this piece comes off the bottom, and this black plastic piece can be separated. And you can tell that's what takes the beating, is that bottom part.
Clean the toilet. No biggie.
And that's how you install a chain guide.